Bought 2 of these when we remodeled our house. We do not have air conditioning and these fans really move the air. Loved them so much that we bought another to put in our bedroom. They really are very quiet, considering how much air they move. Love that they are lower profile and don't hang way down from the ceiling. Really like the shorter blades as well. There is nothing about these that I don't like. I needed a small ceiling fan for a room approximately 7 feet by 7 feet that tends to get hot during the summer. While I prefer a more contemporary look, I selected this fan based on hunter name. My electrician installed the fan in less than an hour with a 24-in rod, which I purchased separately, and the room was instantly cooler. I am extremely happy with the purchase, because room feels nice and cool and there is no noise. I took off 1 star because one of the blades was slightly chipped. If you need a small fan that can get the job done, this one is great. Seems like a very well-made product. Good size for a small room with a 20-degree ceiling. Click link in description for more reviews.